All right, so number 21, an optimal Pigouvian tax of blank can move the market to the socially optimal quantity of production. This is actually the same graph, or if it's not, it's very similar to the graph that we looked at earlier. I'm not a big fan of this graph because I think what's missing is that there is no supply curve. What is the actual cost, right? It equals marginal cost that they would show, and I'm just kind of making it up here. That at 0, this is their cost somehow, which doesn't make sense, but we'll go with it. The idea is, how would you get it to shift? And so, the current cost is 0, but we need it to move to 15, and the answer is simply you need a Pigouvian tax of $15. That's all they're trying to say. But it's this shift. The supply curve would shift so that now it's at the marginal social cost. And that's what I mean by a Pigouvian tax. It's basically adding the cost of the pollution cleanup, for example. I guess it is pollution. To the cost of the business so that the government's able to essentially to limit their production. So it's the socially optimal amount.